Okay, hello, welcome to a video. This is a Frigidaire 8,000 BTU window AC. It doesn't tell me how many watts it uses, so I don't know if it's more efficient or not. It's from 2012, so it uses R410A, so it's probably a little more efficient than the one that I'm using now. So if it's the same size, I don't know if it'll fit where I would like to put it. But I just got this. I have no clue what this filter thing in here looks like. This was sitting outside, so I don't know how disgusting that really is. I'm gonna say it will probably need cleaning here before I actually go use this. The back side, what I can see, it does not look to be the cleanest. So yes, it does need to be cleaned, and this is from a 2012. So, well, I guess let's start it up. And set it down to 60. And the compressor, we have a decent amount of airflow come out of the front. Of the back side though, could be a little better. So we're just waiting for this thingy to start up. On low fan, this thing moves. So fan speed, we'll put it on to high. There we go. Now it started up. We'll see how cold this thing gets. We have it on auto. Let's go ahead and put it on the low fan speed. So back here's this side is where the compressor is. And it's getting cold coming out there, and it is blowing nice and hot out of the back. So but I don't think that this would even try and fit into the window I would like to see it put in. So I don't know. But yeah, it's blowing nice cold air. As you can see, it was outside if you look at all this crap all over it. But it is blowing heat out of the back side, so let's go ahead and turn it around to the back side. Must be having some junk piled up in the way. So here's the back. Here's some more parts of like trees and stuff. I don't know how many amps this uses compared to the one that I have now. So I should try and find out and see which one is more efficient. They're both 8,000s, but I think I want to just leave this one like it is and clean it up good. Yeah. Put it all on auto, eco. So yeah. I don't know how many amps this thing draws. I don't think this would fit where I would like to see it. Like I said, I don't think it will fit there. I don't know what size it is compared to the one I have in the bedroom now. I think this is newer than the one I have in the bedroom. So maybe it would be good in there. But again, I don't use that bedroom air very much. So this isn't very great for in the bedroom. But yeah. 8,000 BTU. You can feel the heat coming out of the back side of this thing. It's nice and hot. And up here we're getting nice cold air. But yeah. So that's it for this Frigidaire air conditioner. This is I don't know what the model is. Oh, right there. LRA 087AT7. Let's go ahead and turn it off. And it just shuts right off, and you can hear it does make the noises. So that's it for this air conditioner today. So thank you for watching. Have a great rest of the day. I don't know if we'll end up needing this air or not, because it is going to be hot up in the 90s. You hate to see it, but it's true. But yeah, this needs some help cleaning. This is caked on there. If you can't see, comes right off. So yes, this needs some help. Parts of trees and stuff are all in there. The filter itself, though, isn't even that dirty. But well, that's it for this Frigidaire air conditioner. Have a great rest of the day, and thank you for watching.